In the far east of continental Croatia, bordered by the blue Danube and Drava, the wondrous Baranja lies in the Pannonian Basin. Its natural beauty will enamor you. The sun rising above the vast fields will forever stay in your memory. Kopački Rit, a natural phenomenon and one of the largest ornithological reserves in the world, can be found in the inner delta of the Danube and Drava, which is unique for Europe. Teeming with more than 297 bird species, it's an ideal destination for bird watchers. Baranja offers a range of activities, of which we would like to emphasize photo safaris, off-road jeep drives, adrenaline bike rides, horse riding across different terrain and throughout various environments, paintball activities on interesting courts, hunting and fishing in the rich waters and forests of Baranja, various modern adrenaline activities, but also some often forgotten and rarely enjoyed activities. Your activity of choice can also be a drive through the villages of Baranja, during which you will witness the preserved characteristic architecture which has stayed the same for over 100 years. Baranja offers you the joy of beautiful sandy beaches, romantic boat rides on the Danube, and the stunning view of the magnificent Danube. Untouched nature, full of forests and streams, will surely enchant you. It is here that nature has shown its full splendor and beauty, which you can enjoy yourself through hunting, fishing, or just simple walk. It is a region well known for its excellent wine. The wine of highest quality flows from the sun-bathed vineyard-covered hills. The secret of the wine of Baranja is kept in gators, unique wine cellars dug deep into the ground and walled with bricks. The diversity of cultures, nations and traditions of the people living in the region is an integral component of Baranja. To truly experience it, you need to visit and enjoy the hospitality and kindness of the locals for yourself. Numerous events and festivals will preserve the centuries-old tradition, which is honored to this day by the rich folklore outfits showcasing all the diversity of the region. The diversity has given birth to an excellent and unique gastronomic offer, which is also one of the key characteristics of Baranja. Your hosts will gladly prepare a true Baranja breakfast and teach you how to make your own lunch according to a local recipe. You will taste various specialties such as kulen, sausages, čvarci, fisherman's soup, and various dishes made from freshly caught fish. You can also taste delicious pastries such as nut rolls, poppy seed rolls, and irresistible buchtel with homemade jam. You can choose an accommodation according to your needs and desires, so that your stay is as pleasant and relaxing as possible. Baranja offers accommodation of all sizes, from hotels and rural households to remote rooms in pristine forests of Baranja, where you will be woken up by birdsongs every morning. Numerous rural households help create the warm, homely atmosphere with a story for every household and rich history. If you love the sounds and scents of pristine nature, preserved tradition, and kind-hearted people, then this is the ideal destination for you. Welcome to Baranja.